When you lose drive on a Husqvarna PT26D, when it won't drive either forwards or backwards, it usually means that the drive to the hydraulic pump for the hydrostatic drive is no longer functioning. And all comes down to this piece here. This slots over the shaft of the hydraulic pump, and there are splines inside. And what happens on early models is that this part was made in cast iron and the internal splines strip so that there's no drive through to the hydraulic pump. The actual assembly is quite difficult to take apart and to understand. Normally we have the drive shaft coming from the engine through a rubber coupling onto this side of the pulley. This part is actually pushed through the bearing housing here, and the coupling then screws into the pulley here. It's quite difficult to remove this housing. The bottom screws through here and here are really difficult to get at. And even when you've got it off the machine, the main problem is actually unscrewing the coupling out of the pulley. You'll probably find that no matter how hard you try, it's impossible to actually unscrew this coupling from out of the pulley, and so the only solution is to bore it out.